Like your iPhone and Mac, the HomePod Mini also receives updates on a regular schedule. However, unlike your iPhone and Mac, Apple doesn't tell you when a new update is available, and all the updates happen in the background. While this is convenient, it also creates a blind spot. That's why it's a good idea to manually check for HomePod Mini updates to ensure that your device is up to date. To update the HomePod Mini, we will use the Home app on your iPhone, but first, ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do that, go to Settings, General, Software Update and install any pending updates. Now, launch the Home app and tap the three-dot menu, tap on Home Settings and choose the Software Update option. If you want the update to happen automatically, turn on the toggle next to HomePod. Turn it off if you would rather manually install the updates. If you see any pending updates, tap the install button to install the update. My HomePod Mini is up to date, so it's not showing any updates here. If you have enrolled your iPhone in the Apple Beta program, your HomePod Mini will also show an option to install beta software. Turn off the toggle if you don't want to install beta update on your HomePod Mini. And that's it. You now know how to update your HomePod Mini. Click here to check out how to solve the connection issue between Mac and HomePod Mini. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.